Ready to unlock the secrets of smart investing? Here's why you should get started today. Investing can seem scary at first, but trust me, it's not just for the super rich or financial wizards. If you've got a little bit of money and a lot of dreams, investing is for you. So why invest? Imagine planting a tiny seed today and watching it grow into a massive tree. That's what investing does for your money. Over time, your money can grow, grow, and grow. Let's break it down. When you invest, you're buying a piece of a company or a fund. As that company grows, so does the value of your investment. It's like having a golden goose that lays more golden eggs. And it's not just about making money. Investing teaches you patience, smart decision-making, and how to think about the future. Plus, it can help you achieve your big goals, like buying a house, starting a business, or even traveling the world. Sounds great, right? So, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button, join our community, and let's start building your wealth together. See you in the next video.